14200, 14200. I call 4 X-ray 6 Tango Tango, Columbia, on 14200 if you are offering some help here on the network. Thank you. This frequency is for emergency users only. This frequency for emergency use only. Michael Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Charlie Golf and Company.
And as a relay, if anyone wishes to volunteer to the Nepalese Disaster Comm Group, you can check in at 14200 with a mirror 4 X-ray 6 Tango Tango as we try to keep this frequency clear for emergency communications only. This is Runway 0 United Norway.
Roger, Dave. You'll be able to stick around today, Sunday?
Gentlemen, we're trying to keep this frequency clear for emergency communications only.
Yeah, the whisper doesn't know what emergency means.
Guys whistling and tuning. The gentleman interfering, you do understand you're interfering with international communications, correct?
Okay, Q out at emergency traffic only, please. This is Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Charlie Golf, leading east. That just queued up. Thank you very much. If you could do that somewhere else or to a dummy load, that would be even better. Thank you. This is Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Charlie Golf. A clear frequency would be appreciated for emergency traffic only on 42210. And we're listening for any emergency traffic only this frequency.
I've got some QRM from a contest station a little bit above. Let's try again. Can we get any other volunteers that can listen on 200, 210, and 310 as well for a little bit later today? 4X6TT in Israel standing by.
14200, gentlemen. 14200. You can check in there.
Okay, that is
Right here.
Okay, Bob, do you copy CT7 ACG? Bob, do you copy ND7J, CT7 ACG? Okay, thank you very much indeed for monitoring 200 and 210. Now 7-3, Bob, thanks. November 1 Alpha Alpha, 9 November 1 Alpha Alpha, Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Charlie Cox, Satisti, copy? 9 November 1 Alpha Alpha, CT7 ACG, Satisti, copy? Nothing heard. This is Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Charlie Golf with company. Listening for emergency traffic only this frequency. And a clear frequency would be appreciated, gentlemen. Thank you.
Unit 310 will try to be on those 3 spots and just see how we can help them. Okay, Wayne?
Emergency traffic.
You, Rakesh? Is that Rakesh, PUS? All stations. This is Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Charlie Golf. This frequency is in use for emergency traffic from the Nepal network, and all frequency would be appreciated. Clear frequency would be appreciated. Thank you. Wayne, is my signal breaking up?
It did just for a little bit, but it's back to normal.
Okay. That's the second time tonight it's done that. I don't know why.
Yeah, it was just a touch.
Wayne Carrier here. Hold on.
Contact with Charlie, November with traffic.
Yeah, WHCZN. Go ahead, Jim.
Okay, Amir, I have a call in to the AWML Savannah Emergency Preparedness Manager, who is Mike Corey, KI1U. Let's see if they possibly respond.
Yeah, I don't think I'm in the scheme of the day. 1 second. That's wonderful news, Jim. Thank you so much for that. And as soon as you hear something, you can even drop me an email. As soon as I get an email from you, I'll reply. You can have my direct phone number in the States, which reaches me here, so that'll be perfect. Thank you so much. Please forgive me to all the guys. I know I'm getting your messages online, on Skype, on Twitter, and on emails. I just can't respond to everyone. There's really much and highly appreciated. QRX, 1 second. Let me just check if QRX says.
As we try to keep this frequency clear for emergency disaster communications only. If you wish to assist, you can check in with Amir down on 14200 as we try to keep this frequency clear for emergency traffic only. This is Norway 0, United Norway.
somebody's talking right on top of you. Joe, hold on 1 second. There's somebody else on this frequency. Can somebody pick him up? KA1JB, I hear you, Joe. That's perfectly fine. But there's somebody else underneath you that's very, very weak with me. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, go ahead, Bob. Hey, I got that. That's covered. Thank you very much, and I appreciate that. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, who's the Victor uniform? The Victor United Station in India?
The clock is running 5:30, something like that.
Long path will be open here in about an hour.
Yeah. What's long path for you?
Straight south.
Just a second, Colin?
Yeah. Go ahead, Amir.
Colin, you there?
Yes, Amir, go ahead.
Okay, I think Alberto, EA3H, oh my God, I can't remember his call now. Alberto, are you on frequency? I don't know, he had some emergency traffic. I didn't hear him on 200. I don't know if he came back and called me. You're probably not in the skip with him, are you?
Probably not, but let me try him. Alberto, do you copy CT7 ACG?
It's Echo Alpha 3 Hotel Victor Echo. I got it. EA3 Hotel Victor Echo. Are you there?
He had some traffic earlier this evening, didn't he? I don't hear it now.
Yeah, all that he sent to me. He sent me all that traffic. I got it.
Somebody's tuning.
I can't believe these people.
Wow. Gentlemen, we're trying to keep the frequency clear for disaster communications with Nepal. We have stations in contact with stations in Nepal and in India and all around the world. Playing around with tune-ups and making noises is, first of all, it's illegal, and second of all, it's just downright immoral. Please stand by. If you wish to volunteer, you can check in down on 14200. I'll go down there in a minute, and we'll take your call sign and see if you can assist us. But please don't QRM here. Please keep this frequency clear for emergency traffic only. Thank you. Norway 0, United Norway. I'll go down to 200 and pick up a few.
Okay, great, Wayne. That'll help. And I'm sure they heard you, that's for sure. Okay, Colin, you take it. I just need to reply to these people on the emails quickly and to get